Welcome to Blackbird's tutorial series. In this video, we will look at how to manage the dashboard page. Once you have set up batches and shifts in the system, you can provide your operators with a dashboard that shows them how well they are progressing. To view a dashboard, click on the three dots in the top right corner. Select Batch Dashboard. Here you can first see whether our line is currently running or has stopped. You get an overview of the batch information, such as batch number, product name, and estimated time of completion. You can track your performance against the target. The black line represents the target, the green line shows you that you are above target, and a red line indicates that the production is lagging behind. You can also see the live graph of the line, plus all the stops that occurred and their respective color codes. Please note that you always configure the dashboard yourself by clicking on the square symbol in the right-hand corner. Here, you can, for example, select to see the actual stop causes. You can also decide if certain stop causes should be factored out of that target for the shift, or if you only want to display certain stop causes in the live graph. The same dashboard display also exists for shifts. Now you can see information on the previous and current shift, as well as the same production meter and the live graph. This concludes on how to use the dashboard function on Blackbird's website.